In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a record in Hostinger. Whether you're setting up a new website or simply making changes to an existing one, knowing how to manage DNS records is essential. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which gives you an overview of all your domains. Go ahead and locate the domain you're planning to work with. Click on that domain to enter the management section. Now, you should see a menu on the side or at the top that includes various settings. Look for an option labeled DNS Settings, DNS Zone, or something similar. It can differ slightly based on what interface updates they've made. Click to open those DNS settings. In this section, you'll notice a list of existing DNS records for your domain. These could include a records, name records, and so on. If this is your first time here, don't be overwhelmed by the technical jargon. It all becomes clearer as you get more familiar. To add a new record, find the option that says something like Add Record or New Record. In some cases, there might just be a plus sign you click on. Give that a click to open the form where you'll enter the details of your new record. At this point, it's important to understand what type of record you need. Common types include a records, which point your domain to an IP address, or name records, which alias one domain to another. So, determine the type of record necessary for your task, often detailed by the service you're configuring. Once you've determined the type of record you need, it's time to fill in the details. Start with the name or host field. This is where you specify the subdomain for the record or leave it blank for the main domain, often represented as the @ symbol in the interface. Next, move on to the record or type drop-down where you select the record type. Let's assume it's an A record for this example. After you've selected the record type, go to the value or points to field. Here, you'll input the IP address or another target, depending on what your service provider or application guide tells you. Double-check these details. A small typo can lead to significant issues. Finally, the TTL field stands for time to live, and it tells DNS servers how long to cache the information. The default TTL is usually fine, but you can adjust it if necessary based on any unique requirements or advice provided by another service you're setting up. When all fields are filled correctly, click Save or Add to finalize the process. Hostinger might take a moment to propagate these changes, so be patient. And there you have it. You've successfully added a record in Hostinger. Remember, these changes can sometimes take a bit of time to update globally, so check back in a short while if things haven't changed immediately. Don't hesitate to explore additional resources or support if you need further clarification. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on managing your website.